Thank you for visiting us at pandapostage.com. This is a demo to show you how to ship an international package and a domestic package combined into one, set up your account, and run reports. All other videos are out there on YouTube for specific type information if you don't want to watch the long video. In order to log into your account, you would require a password, a user ID and a password, and that would be sent to you from pandapostage.com via email. Once you are logged into the site, as we are here, you come to your domestic shipping screen. And in your domestic shipping screen, you can import your addresses through your address book, and that's a fairly easy process. You would select an address, go to your package information, select express mail, priority mail, first class parcel, first class mail. We can go to a parcel and a large flat envelope. The system has been turned off and it cannot print first class letter mail. Once we are done, we can click our auto confirm, calculate our price, and it shows you the discount that you'd be getting. And there's your first class label ready to go out and be shipped, thrown on the package and dropped in any mailbox. We can go to our Ship International package, and I just processed one a little while ago, but we have a select address book in there. As we enter addresses, we can save as a new contact. That'll automatically import them as well. So if I go ahead and say we're going to send one to New Zealand, we're going to show a package detail, and it's requiring the state. We'll throw a state in there, a province. We will show the package detail. Go to priority mail, go to parcel box. You would come down here and select exactly what the description of the product is. Put in your quantity. The post office does not accept multiple boxes under one label. You have to run a label for each one. A value, add the item, and once you've added the item, you can calculate your price and you can process your label. And your label will show up with stealth postage, and that's all you would require for an international shipment. It does not require international invoices, and the shipment process is completely trackable. You can count on 3 to 5 days for express mail and probably 7 to 10 days for priority mail. You can order your supplies online, and that just takes you to a link to the United States Postal Service, and you would just go in here and select supplies, quick tools, and schedule a pickup, calculate price. Buy stamps, that'll do it as well, and that'll take you to several different places that you can go ahead and order your supplies from. Once you're done with ordering your supplies, you can schedule a pickup online, and that's all pretty easy. Your ship history is the key to the whole process of what you're doing for the day. You can see these two processes or two shipments were scanned, and as you get further into the list, you will find, and again, this being a demo site, you'll find some of the packages have been delivered. Okay, it'll tell you the exact time and date it was delivered. Come down to your reports, and your reports are set up in 3 reports, and you can go back as far as 90, 120 days, or go forward and select all of your different reports. The ad hoc reporting choose fields is specifically tied to this link right here, ad hoc reports and your date range, and that'll give you all of the different fields that you can turn on and turn off at any one time. You have an Excel spreadsheet that you can export to, and you can manipulate your data to where you need it to be. When you first get started with Panda, we have another video out there that can show you how to do it, but it's as simple as going ahead and setting up some of your defaults and the type of service you want, the package type you want, whether you want to email yourself a tracking number and the link so you can track it on your cell phones, or you can send your receiver the information so they can track that as well. When you send the receiver, it'll tell it came from you, and it will give you the full value or full trackability and a link to the post office site to keep track of it. If you have a laser printer, you would just click on laser or thermal. It's that simple. And you would just save your settings. Your address book, we can import your addresses and upload files from any UPS or FedEx websites. And if that doesn't work, you can use your download generic template. The biggest key that I would caution you on is in your import, if it doesn't come through smoothly, the country code has to be US, not United States. Custom package type, you can go ahead and create a custom package type. We've already created some here where you can see the weights and the dimensions of the package and exactly the service levels that we're looking for, and that makes life a little simpler. And if you look back in here and I copy my last shipment and I go to my custom package types, you notice here how it's changed the weight and the dimensions, and it's just kind of a time saver. Setting up your payment options is as simple as once you're logged in, you would put the replenishment amount in and you would create your own PIN number and your email address. Once you're there, you would go to the address information exactly the way it is on your credit card bill or your bank statement, since the system does do e-check or credit card. If you notice here, because everything goes through authorize.net, and there's their seal down below, you would find that we do not keep track of any of your credit card information in-house. Thank you for joining us at pandapostage.com. We look forward to your signing up and using the account. Have a great day.